Welcome! Today, we'll learn how to connect your WordPress website to a database in 2025. First, access your web hosting control panel and find the database section. Create a new database and user. Make sure to write down your credentials. Next, open your wp-config.php file. This file is where you connect WordPress to your database. Enter your database name, username, and password in the appropriate fields. Save your changes and upload the file back to your server. You're all set. Let's ensure everything works. Open your website in a new tab and refresh. If you see your site up and running, congratulations! You've successfully connected to your database. In case of issues, double-check your credentials in wp-config.php. And remember, backing up your site before changes is always a good practice. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. See you in the next tutorial.